Okay, besties, get ready for the ultimate $1,000 Sanrio aesthetic haul. This or that. Let's settle this right now. Round one, sweet character bracelets or these cute Hello Kitty hair ties. Honestly, I need that sparkle on my wrist today. Which one are you picking? Phone check, clear Sanrio character cases, or these fluffy baddie vibes? My phone definitely needs that fluffy makeover. Team left or team right? Keychain haul, colorful donut kitties, or the classic Sanrio squad? I am taking the donuts home for sure. Pen check, glittery purple pans, or the cute character charms? Writing is so much better with these. Which vibe is yours? Stay hydrated, huge pink Stanley cup, or the aesthetic Sanrio tumbler squad? Team Stanley or Team Sanrio? Hair check, fuzzy character headbands, or these sparkly star claws? Every preppy girl needs that fluff. Watch check, pastel character watches, or the bold baddie set? Decisions. Notebook haul, Kuromi journals, or the full stationery set? This is literal heaven for my desk. Brush check, glittery star brushes, or the cute character heads? I need them all for my vanity. Last round, soft Sanrio socks or the cozy character gloves? Okay, I'm officially Team Sanrio haul today. What about you? Drop your favorite emoji in the comments and join the squad. Follow for more elite hauls. Bye, besties!